Socially awkward.
Na 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 na.
It's a story of two girls,
Na 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 na.
Hayley and Laura.
Na 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 na.
Socially awkward.
Socially awkward.
Hi guys, and welcome to Socially Awkward.
Yeah,
And
So-
this is our new member of Socially Awkward.
we're not. Your doggy's not joining.
My doggy. It's really cute.
Yeah, okay. I'll try and show you.
He's black. See that? Yeah,
You
he's
can't
really-
see him.
He's beautiful. Look, Teddy, he's on YouTube.
She's talking to the couch. So, guys, we would like to make a shout out. Shout out. Yeah, we'd like to
What's
make
her name?
Lydia.
Lydia. To Lydia.
Lydia XX.
Shout out to you. We love you.
Yeah,
And-
I think I actually might know who you might be.
Oh, really?
I don't know.
Oh, awkward if we do.
You don't know
Awkward if you do.
her. Lydia.
Can you even see it? You can't even see it.
Lydia XX.
Lydia XX.
I would
Lydia
like to
XX.
make a shout out. Shout out!
Because you subscribe to our channel and we really
So
appreciate
subscribers.
that. Subscribers.
She's a subscriber, so funny.
Thank you for subscribing to our
So
channel.
subscribers.
Subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. We really appreciate it.
And you know, if you have any friends,
Yeah, feel free to tell them to subscribe
Subs-
to our channel, okay? Thank you for subscribing
Subscribing.
and we really appreciate it.
so
And
subscribers.
subscribers.
So cute.
Subscribers.
Subscribers. Yeah, so guys, we only have one subscriber. I'm very disappointed in you guys. Get a YouTube thing.
Even this Rachel person who commented,
I don't even know who she is. She's just a freak. She's like, oh, Lara, ha ha ha, I feel so sorry for Maya. Bitch, you don't know us.
maybe you do, but even so, you should have
Subscribe, but
subscribed.
you didn't.
But
you
you
didn't.
So we don't like you anymore.
Mm-mm.
Shame on you.
Hola. So subscribers.
Subscribers.
Went from Mr. 305, Dade County,